Hey, what's up you guys? Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you're having a really good day today. Hope you are having an awesome day. So I'm about to show you guys what I eat for the day. This is a typical day in the life of what I would eat. I typically do have an idea of what I eat. You know, like I do like to track my macros for the most part, just to kind of keep track of my protein intake, because usually if I don't keep track of that, I don't have, you know, adequate amount of protein. So I do keep track of that. But other than that, I'm not that crazy strict. I just try to eat mostly whole foods. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys, like I said, what I eat. I have kind of an idea. I've been craving pancakes for, honestly, since yesterday. I have Kodiak cakes maybe like 5 times out of the week. I'm gonna have that for breakfast. What's up, little guy? How's it going? Plans later? I was thinking of getting ready and doing my hair, but I was like, no, this is the real deal. I just woke up not too long ago. I don't know about you, but if you haven't tried this, run out and get it, especially if you like pancakes. Like once you go Kodiak cakes, I feel like you can't go back. Even if you're not into like the whole protein thing, these have 14 grams of protein. This is 100% whole grains. This is amazing. Like this is definitely a household item for me. By the way, can you guys believe? So this is my multivitamin of choice, Ollie, and then I ordered this on Amazon, and then it came in the mail like this. It was just completely melted. It's a big blob now. It's completely melted. So I wrote on Amazon and was like, yeah, they were like, yeah, we'll send you a new one. No need to return it. Sorry about that. I got a new one in yesterday. I was like, ooh, my vitamins are in, and back. It's the same thing. So I have 2 multivitamins. So I'm gonna give these away for you guys. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna give them to you. But yeah, I just thought it was interesting. I'm like, should I cut these up into little squares and just like, because they're supposed to be little gummies, little berries. They're actually really good. Kind of taste like candy. But yeah. Alright guys, so I'm done with that. So I'm gonna add peanut butter. I like to add about a tablespoon of that to my pancakes, especially when they're nice and hot, kind of like melts into the pancakes. And then my favorite syrup, which is this one here. I actually just got a brand new bottle because I finished the other one. This is Miss Butterworth's sugar-free. Yes, sugar-free. Why get one that has sugar when this one tastes literally just the same? So I guess quote unquote healthier option. And then I'm also going to have a scoop of this Vega Protein and Energy. This is really good. I just got this at Costco recently, the cold brew coffee. Just an added little protein source besides that. So I'm gonna have pancakes, a scoop of this with almond milk. I won't show you guys because, I mean, it's kind of boring, just this and that. So my pancakes, little protein shake. Alright guys, it is now 2:30 p.m. I'm so hungry. I was actually going to make some toast for lunch. This really good toast that I make, but I actually didn't realize that I don't have any Ezekiel bread, some of the bread that I use. So I'm actually ordering something real quick, some takeout. This is the second day in a row that I'm getting, this is Chef Tanya's Kitchen, by the way, not sponsored. But it is this amazing, if you guys are ever in Palm Springs, Coachella Valley, Indio, like anywhere in the Palm Springs area, check out. Why can't I talk? It is Chef Tanya's Kitchen. Really amazing vegan restaurant. It is so good. It is around the corner, not around the corner, but like 3 blocks from my house. I have some free delivery on Postmates, so I'm gonna use that again. I was there yesterday and it's like my new favorite spot. It is delicious. Like even if you're not vegan, like I said, it tastes amazing. Like they have some bomb burgers, some sandwiches. I ordered on Postmates the daily special, but I went on their site and they had 2 daily specials. I can't talk. 2 daily specials. I feel like sometimes my Spanish accent wants to come out. There's one, I don't know what special I'm gonna get today, so I will show you guys what I get when it arrives, I guess. But both specials sounded amazing, and yeah, I am excited. All right, guys. Like I said, if you're ever in the area, Chef Tanya's Kitchen. Look, it has 5 stars. This totally sounds sponsored, but it's really not. It's so fucking good, excuse my language. What do you have to say? All right, my Postmates came in. I got the daily special, which is an Asian salad, but there's some seitan in under there. I don't know if you guys can, I'll show you guys in a sec, but this looks amazing. This is the protein. So seitan is this really good protein. I believe it is protein from wheat, but this smells so good. I don't know if you guys can, well, duh, you guys can't smell that. But it has brown rice, seitan. It's just a really good all-around salad. It has Persian cucumbers. I'm gonna mix that up, and then it has some garnish right here, salad garnish. And then the agua fresca of the day, the daily drink. It looks like it's pineapple, so it's a really nice day outside. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna head out to my family's, so. This is kind of weird, just. You guys see that? There's some seitan, some of that protein. The water is pineapple. Normally I would make my salad at home, but it's Saturday, so. By the way, I got interviewed yesterday for Selected Series. It's a podcast that is here in the Coachella Valley. Just, you know, showcasing, interviewing, just like talent here in the Valley. I'm gonna be on this, I think the end of this week. I'll let you guys know on Instagram, but I'm really excited to hear it out. So yeah, as soon as I'm finished with this, I'm gonna go to my family's house. I'm gonna visit. I haven't seen my mom and dad in a few days. And then I'm going to probably stay in tonight. I'm not gonna go out. But yeah, that is my meal number 2. Right nugget, down dog, now up dog. Show him how, yeah, up dog. Perfect. And he's out. You need a shower. All right, quick little PSA, drink your water. Important. All right, so it's now 8:48 p.m. I'm gonna make some chicken. This is cut up chicken from Costco, organic chicken. I don't normally get like everything organic, but when I do, it has to be like meats. You know what I mean? For the most part. So chicken, and I'm gonna season that, like I said, really good. Gonna do some kale, some like grilled, like kale type of thing, and then I'm gonna add some avocado right here, just a little bit. Normally I would do brown rice or maybe like some quinoa, but I did get some vegan donuts that are so good. I got them from Chef Tanya's Kitchen earlier. They do like a pop-up every week with, like, I tried one earlier, the best vegan donuts I've tried. The dough is just so good. So I'm gonna have that as like a treat slash, yeah, like dessert, carb source for the meal. I like to do like 80-20 for my diet. So I'm gonna do that. I like to season up the chicken with this garlic salt from Trader Joe's. It's the best. Some onion salt, some pepper, and yeah, let me show you real quick. Hold on. Bam, look at this. So good. By the way, this lighting is probably very flattering, right? So yeah, let's cook this up because I'm so hungry. Let's do it. You always just want whatever I have, huh? Whatever I have.